sellers might not be experts in warehouses, logistics, transport, IT, all of that sort of stuff. That's where a fulfillment provider like Octopia Fulfillment comes in. We save our sellers time by holding their stock, connecting to their sales channels, and then handling all of that complexity for them. And we save them money by giving them access to large, state-of-the-art warehouses and huge transport contracts. And by the way, we let them manage all of that through a simple, really elegant piece of software. Tens of thousands of orders every single day, over 3,000 monthly active users already, 0 minimum volumes, so we take even the smallest sellers, and importantly, no monthly subscription for a seller as well. For a marketplace, fulfillment's the secret ingredient. If you're running a marketplace, your customers are going to be demanding a really high level of delivery service. You might have hundreds, even thousands of sellers. If they're all trying to do their own thing, then you're going to have a huge variance in quality of service. You're going to have wildly varying net promoter score. So you can chance your luck and allow your sellers to each have their own solution. Or you can work with a tried and tested fulfillment partner like Octopia, which will ensure the level of service that your customers are asking for. And in so doing, boost your NPS and revenues. T, of course. Crocodile Rock by Elton John. It was my wedding dance. So. James Bond. Yeah, the perfect delivery experience is one which satisfies your customer and makes them happy.